Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is NIROJNA'S tutorial. I'm back with new video that is again based on statistics, but today I'll find mode of the given data. Alright, so in the previous two videos I did how to find mean of a given data, and in the last video I did how to find median of a given data. Alright, so in this video I'm going to find mode of a given data. Alright, like in the previous video, I'm going to do this sum in two different methods, two different ways. One is for ICSE and another is for West Bengal board, that is madhyamik. Alright, let's start. For ICSE, we have to make table of 3 columns. That is, this is our class interval, this is the value of x, and this is frequency. Class interval is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, and last one 35 to 40. And frequency is 2, 6, 10, 16, 22, 11, 8, and 5. Alright, so let's find the value of x first. As in the last video, what we have to do, we have to find mean value of 0 and 5. So how can we find this? 0 plus 5 whole over 2, then we'll get 2.5. So in this way you can do, just add lower limit and upper limit and divide by 2. Alright, so this becomes 2.5, this becomes 7.5, this is 12.5, 17.5, 22.5, 27.5, 32.5, and lastly 37.5. Alright, for ICSE it is very easy to find mode. So how we can find mode is, we just have to look for the highest value of frequency. Alright, highest value of frequency is 22, and we'll just see the corresponding value of 22, which is 22.5. So our mode will be 22.5. So that is a very easy way to find mode. Alright, so I'm repeating it again. We have to see the frequency column and we have to find which one is the greatest value. So I got here 22, and corresponding value of this 22 in x is 22.5. So this is our mode. But in madhyamik, we have different formula to find mode. So that formula is L plus F1 minus F0 over 2 of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So this is quite complicated formula, right? So let's see how to solve, how to find mode for madhyamik examination. Alright? Okay, alright. So for madhyamik examination, madhyamik board, what we used to do is we'll just copy the same table in a vertical way. Alright, same. We'll have only class interval and frequency. No need to find the class marks, that is the value of x. And we have formula to find mode is L plus F1 minus F0 over 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Alright, so first let's understand what are these variables. So first, L is the lower limit of modal class. So here is the new word modal class. That means we have to first identify which is the modal class, then we'll get L. F1 is the frequency of modal class. F0 is the frequency of previous class of modal class, and F2 is the succeeding frequency of modal class. So for this we can write preceding, and F2 becomes succeeding, and H is the width of class interval. Alright, so let's find the modal class first. So here also, for this case also, to find modal class, we have to look at the frequency column and we have to see which one is the greatest value. Alright, so 22 is the greatest value and the corresponding class interval of the greatest value is our modal class. So our modal class is how much? 20 to 25. From here we can get L equals 20, lower limit of the modal class. Now let's find F1. F1 is the frequency of the modal class. That means our F1 becomes 22. F0 is the preceding frequency of modal class. So this is the modal class. Its preceding is this and its frequency is 16. So F0 becomes 16. Similarly, F2 is the succeeding frequency of modal class. This is the succeeding modal class of the modal class, and this is our F2, this is our F1, and this is our F0. So F2 is 11, and last one H is, look at every class interval, and every class interval are of same width, that is 5. Alright, let's put this value in our formula. So to find mode, we have L plus F1 minus F0 over 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L is 20, alright, L is 20, F1 is 22 minus F0 is 16 over twice of F1, 22 minus 16 minus 11 into 5. Let's simplify this. Plus, if you subtract, you will get how much? 6 over, this is 44, this is minus 27 into 5. So this gives us 6 into 5 over, if you subtract, we'll get, it is 17. Alright, so I'm going here, mode equals 20 plus, this is 30, 30 over 17, 30 divided by 17 gives us 0.7 times, gives us 119. After subtraction we'll get this, so it is 6 times 102. So we can take this value, which is also the approximate value. So this is 21.76 is our mode, that is also the approximate value. Alright, so this is how we can get the mode in madhyamik pariksha. This is quite a long method and quite a complicated also, but in ICSE we have a very easy, just to find the highest value of frequency and its corresponding value of x. Alright, so if you compare the values of mode in ICSE and in madhyamik pariksha, in ICSE we got mode is 22.5 for the same data, and in madhyamik pariksha we got as 21.76, which are quite different from this two answer, right? So I finished with this video. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.